What is turning or machining rotors? Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. So, a rotor is the part of the car that's spinning with the wheel, and then our brake pads squeeze against it. And so when we do a brake job, we like to have fresh surfaces, and we don't want any wobble or anything like that. So, in some cases, we machine them. Now what I have on the machine right now is a drum, and basically the machine sets up the drum or the rotor to spin like it's on the car. And in this case, we cut the inside of the drum that's spinning, and the drum moves out against the bit. In the case of a rotor, we put it on the machine, and then we have two bits that actually cut a fresh surface as the rotor's spinning. So that's the basics of what machining a rotor is, or turning it's another term. There are machines that can do it on the car as well. Hope this has been informational, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.